Good day friends. In the previous video we have seen practice set 7.5 question number 6. A hockey player has scored following number of goals in 9 matches. Find the mean, median and mode. In one question all the three central tendencies mean, median and mode. Mean was equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Number of observations were here 9. Median, as number of observations 9 and is equal to odd, so the observation which is at n plus 1 upon 2 at this position after arranging them in ascending order, that was the median. And mode is the maximum frequency observation. Here 4 occurs for 3 times in the given data, 2 for twice, 3 for twice, 5 for 1 and 0 for 1. So 4 is occurring maximum time, that is 3 times. So the mode is 4. Let us continue with the next question number 7. The calculated mean of 50 observations was 80. It was later discovered that observation 19 was recorded by mistake 91. What was the correct mean? I think this sum also we finish. Instead of 91, the observation instead of 19 the observation was taken 91. So we subtracted from the sum of all observations and then we find out the correct mean. This also we finished. So in the last video we have completed till question number 7 of 7.5. Let us continue with question number 8. 7.5, question number 8. In this page number 125, following 10 observations are arranged in ascending order. Already they are arranging ascending order. If the median of the data is 11, find the value of x. Here some observations are in the form of x. In the given data some observations are in the form of x. Median is given and we have to find out the value of x. Let us see how many observations are here. 10. 10 means even. If the number of observations are even, to find out the median we have to take average of two observations. Which two observations? N upon 2th position observation and n plus 2 upon 2 at this position, the observation whichever will come. So first we'll write the given data. See, the given data is 2, 3, 5, 9, x plus 1, x plus 3, 14, 16, 19 and 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total observations are 10. X plus 1 is a single observation and x plus 3 also is a single observation. Now based on this, the median of this data is given to us in the question. Median is equal to 11 and we have to find out the value of x. So here number of observations are 10, it is even. As the number of observations are even, we can find out the median by average of two observations. Which two observations? Here the median will be equal to average of n upon 2 and n plus 2 upon 2. Average of these two observations. Okay, see, average of n upon 2, the observation which is at n upon 2 position, and n plus 2 upon 2 position. Now adding these two and dividing it by 2, because two observations we are going to take into consideration, we will get the median. So first we will find out observation which is at n upon 2 position and which is at n plus 2 upon 2 position. So here n upon 2 will be equal to, n is 10, number of observations upon 2 means fifth observation, and fifth observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is fifth observation, x plus 1. Observation at n plus 2 upon 2 position, n plus 2 means 10 plus 2, 12, 12 upon 2, sixth observation when they are arranging ascending order. Already the data is given in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth observation is x plus 3. So median is nothing but average of these two. Median is already given, it is 11. So 11 is equal to average of these two observations. How to find out average? Adding them both, x plus 1, x plus 3, and dividing them by 2, because two observations we considered here. So how to solve it? 11 into 2, 22 is equal to x plus x, 2x, 3 plus 1, 4. We'll solve this simple equation to get the value of x, which is our required solution for question number 8. So first 4 will take from left to right, right to left. 22 minus 4 will be equal to 2x. Subtraction will be here. 22 minus 4 is 18 is equal to 2x, x is equal to 18 upon 2, that is x is equal to 9. So as per the given information in question number 8, value of x is equal to 9. Already the data is in ascending order, number of observations are even. So if the number of observations are even, median of that data will be average of two observations. One, the observation which is at n upon 2 position, and second, the observation which is at n plus 2 upon 2 position. Average of that two to consider to get the median. So median is equal to, these are the two observations which are at 5th and 6th position. 5th position is n upon 2 position, 6th position is n plus 2 upon 2 position. Now adding these two and dividing it by 2, we'll get the median, which is given to us as 11. Simplifying this, we'll get the value of x. So here solution for 7.5 practice set question number 8, that is value of x is equal to 9. I hope you understood. Let us continue with question number 9 of this practice set. What is asked in question number 9 is, in question number 9, same page, the mean of 35 observations is 20, out of which mean of first 18 observations is 15 and mean of last 18 observation is 25. Find the 18th observation. See what is here. The mean of 35 observations, total 1, 2, 17, 18th, 19th, and then the last one is 35. Total 1 to 35 observations are there. Mean of these 35 observations is 20, first information. Second, out of which mean of first 18 observations. First 18 means from 1 to 18. This many observations, their mean is given 15. Okay, second information. Third information is mean of last 18 observations. Last 18 means it will start from 35. Okay, last 18 if we'll count it, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. After that we need to come back in reverse order once again. 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, till 26, 10 observations are there. Okay, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 15 observations are completed till 21. 20, 19 and 18 means 35 to observation number 18. These are the last 18 observations. If we consider last 18 observations, this to this, their mean is given. That is the third information in question number 9. It is given to us the mean of last 18 observation is 25. Mean of this last 18 observation is 25, and overall mean of all of them is given in the first information. The mean of 35 observations is 20. So this is first given information, second given information, third given information. This just I am showing for understanding. Don't draw it during exam time. Okay, this is just understanding what is the situation. Total 1 to 35 observations, mean is given 20, first given information. Second, mean of first 18 observations, means observation number 1 till observation number 18, their mean is 15, second given information. Third given information, mean of last 18 observations. Now which are the last 18 observations? From observation number 18 to 35. It will cover the last 18 observations. Their mean is given 25. This is given information number 3. With the help of these 3, we have to find out the observation which is at 18th position. Find the 18th observation. That is nothing but the solution for question number 9. Now here if you'll observe, this 18th observation is counted during this calculation also, and it is counted during this calculation also. And if we'll combine this together, we will not get the mean of all, because one observation is counted double in this as well as in this. So if we'll find out the sum of first 18 observation by this mean, then sum of last 18 observations by this mean, and if we'll add them, what will happen? That sum and this sum, is it will be same? No, this observation is counted double in this as well as in this also. So if we'll take the difference between these two sums, automatic we'll get the observation which is on position 18. So as per the given information number 1, mean of all 35 observations is equal to 20. This is given to us, equation number 1. Okay, now what is the formula for mean? Mean is equal to sum of all 35 observations divided by number of observations. Number of observations are 35. Mean is given 20. So 20 is equal to sum of all 35 observations divided by 35. 35 will come this side. 35 into 20, it will be 700. 700 will be the sum of all 35 observations. Therefore, sum of all observations is equal to 20 into 35, that is nothing but equal to 700. As per the given information number 1, sum of all the 35 observations is equal to 700. Instead of considering this as 1, we'll consider this as equation number 1, because we have to take help of this at the final step. Okay, so we will not consider this as equation number 1. This is given information. So with the first given information, we have sum of all observations is equal to 700. Now we will find out the sum of first 18 numbers and the sum of last 18 observations as well. And with the help of 1, 2, 3, we can come to the final conclusion. Let us continue with that. Given information number 2, mean of first 18 observations. So mean of first 18, mean of first 18 observations is given 15, 1 5. This is given in the question. Given information number 2, this was given information number 1. Now how to find out mean? Mean is nothing but mean is equal to sum of, how many observations are considered? First 18. Sum of first 18 observations divided by number of observations are 18. Mean is how much? 15. Mean is given 15. 15 is equal to sum of first 18 observations divided by 18. Product of these both 15 and 18 will give us sum of first 18 observations. So sum of first 18 observations is equal to 15 into 18. So 0 carry 9, 270 will be the sum of first 18 observations, equation number 2. Same way we'll find out sum of last 18 observations with the help of given information number 3. Given information number 3 says, so mean of last 18 observations, mean observation number 18 to 35. By that, mean of last 18 observations is equal to how much it is given? 25. This information is given to us in the question. With the help of that, mean is equal to sum of last 18 observations divided by number of observations are 18. Mean is given 25. 25 is equal to sum of last 18 observations divided by 18. If we want to find out sum of last 18 observations, we need to carry the product of 25 and 18. So sum of last 18 observations is equal to 25 into 18. This product will give us the sum of last 18 observation, and that will be 25 8s are 200, so 0 carry 20, 25 1s are 25 plus 20 35 45. It will come 450, equation number 3. Now first, second and third, these three equations are going to help us to find out the observation number 18. How it will find out? See once. In equation 1 we have sum of all the 35 observations is equal to 700. In equation number 2 what we have? We have sum of first 18 observations. In this 18th observation is considered sum of first 18 observations, that is equal to 270. Equation number 3 says sum of last 18 observations. Last 18 observations total is given, but the main important part is in first 18 observations, observation number 18 is considered, which is in this 270 total, and in the last 18 observations also the observation number 18 is considered, that total is 450. Means while this sum and this sum, both the time 18 is counted. So if we want the total of all plus 18 observation is counted double, first in this sum then in this sum. So if we'll add these two, second and third, if we'll add second and third, what we will get? We'll get sum of all the 35 observations plus 18th is double. 18th is counted in this also, 18th is counted in this also. Means equation number 2 plus equation number 3 is nothing but sum of all observations plus 18th observations one more additional time. And equation number 1 is sum of all 35 observations. In that 18th observations counted only once. So addition of these both, from that if we'll subtract this total, remaining is nothing but the 18 number observation. See, the final answer will be here. To get the observation number 18, we can take help of equation number 1, 2 and 3. I hope you people will understand it. From first, second and third, observation number 18th is equal to sum of second and third equation minus, from that we have to subtract sum of first equation. Means we have to add second and third, so we'll get the sum of first 18 and last 18. In that 18th is calculated double, and in this 18 is calculated only single time. The difference between these both is nothing but the 18th observation which was calculated double. So here it will come sum of sum of second and third, 270 is second plus 450 is third. From this total, if we'll subtract of all observations, all 35 observations, we need to get observation number 18. So this sum will come 0. 720 minus 700, difference is 20. Means observation number 18 is equal to 20. Observation number 18 is equal to 20. Solution for question number 9. See, nothing is here. In this sum, sum of all the observations is given, then sum of first 18 observations, then sum of last 18 observations. With the help of this, we found out the totals 3 times. First time we found the total of all observations. Second time we found the total of first 18 observations. Third time we found the total of last 18 observations. In this second and third, 18th was considered in second also and in third also. If we'll add these both, second and third, 270 plus 450, total comes 720. In this, observation 18 was considered twice, once in 270 also and second time it is in 450 also. But sum of all the observations, all 35 observations, is 700 by equation number 1. So if we'll subtract this first from the total of second and third, the difference between these is nothing but the extra, one more time extra counted observation number 18. So 720 minus 700, we have here the observation number 18, which we supposed to find out for question number 9. Let's continue with question number 10. So these are the sums based on central tendencies, mean, median and mode for ungrouped frequency distribution. Next year you have mean, median, mode of group frequency distribution. Okay, in standard 10. Same lesson is there. Little graphical pictorial representation is also there, and mean median mode is also there. But in mean median mode, it is mean median mode of group frequency distribution. Now you have ungrouped frequency distribution. Let us continue with sum number 10. In sum number 10, the mean of 5 observations is 50. One of the observation was removed from the data, hence the mean become 45. Total observations were 5. One is removed means now the number of observations are 4. Find the observation which was removed. Okay, no matter. Mean of 5 observations. It is given mean is equal to sum of all. I will write 5 observations. Sum of 5 observations divided by number of observations. So mean of first 5 observations is 50 is equal to sum of 5 observations we don't know. We will write sum of 5 observations divided by number of observations are 5. So with the help of this, sum of 5 observations is equal to product of this both, 50 into 5, that is nothing but 250, equation number 1. It gives sum of all 5 observations. Now what happened as per the given information? One of the observation was removed. So if one of the observation is removed, number of observations are 4. By that, again mean is equal to sum of 4 observations, because one of the observation is removed. If one observation is removed, the number of observations are remaining 4, and that mean is given 45. So 45 is equal to sum of 4 observations divided by 4. Sum of 4 observations is equal to product of these both, 45 into 4. 45 into 4 it gives 4 5 are 20, so 0 carry 2, 4 4 are 16 plus 2 80, 180. So equation number 1. Equation number 2. Sum of 5 observations 250, sum of 4 observations 180. The difference between these both is nothing but the observation which is removed, which will be our solution. Here the question is find the observation which was removed. So removed observation is equal to sum of 5 observations, sum of 5 observations minus sum of 4 observations. One observation is missing, so if we will subtract the total, we will get the required. Here the reason we will write from 1 and 2 with the help of equation number 1 and 2. Equation number 1 we have sum of all 5 observations, in 2 we have sum of 4 observations. So here sum of 5 observations is 250 minus sum of 4 observations is 180. The difference between these both is of 70. So required observation or the removed observation is nothing but 70. Solution for question number 10. With the help of given two informations in sum number 10, sum of 5 observations and sum of 4 observations, we come to the required solution. Let's continue with sum number 11. Just little bit difference is there, otherwise rest all the things. There are 40 students in a class. Out of them 15 are boys. The mean of marks obtained by boys is 33. Means for 15 students the mean is 33 and that of for girls is 35. Remaining students total 40 were there. Out of that 15 are boys, so girls are 25. Sum number 11, number of girls is equal to total number of students 40 minus boys are 15, remaining are girls. So girls are 25, boys are 15. The mean marks obtained by boys is 33. So mean for boys, B for boys, mean for boys is equal to sum of how many boys are there? 15. Sum of 15 students which are boys divided by 15. Mean is given here. The mean of marks obtained by boys 33. So 33 is equal to sum of boys marks upon 15. So if you want to find out sum of boys marks, we will get it by 33 into 15 will be equal to 15 3s are 45, carry 4, 15 3s are 45, 45 plus 4, 49. 495 is sum of all the boys marks. Equation number 1. Same way, mean of girls is 35. So mean for girls is equal to sum of girls marks divided by number of girls are 25. So mean is given here 35. So 35 is equal to sum of all girls marks, sum of girls marks divided by 25. So if you want to find out the sum of girls marks, sum of girls marks is equal to product of these both, 35 into 25. So it comes 25 5s are 125, so 5 carries 12. 25 3 the 75, 75 plus 12, 85, 85, 86, 87, 875. Equation number 2. So this is the sum of marks of boys and that will be the sum of marks of girls. What is the question here? Find out the mean of all students in the class. So if we want to find out the mean of all students, total number of students are 40. So from 1 and 2, mean is equal to sum of boys means first 15 students sum is 495 plus sum of remaining 25 students means they are girls, that is 875, divided by number of students 15 plus 25, 15 boys, 25 girls. This sum divided by this will get the mean of all the class, means boys and girls together. So what will be the total here? 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 9 17, so carry 1, 8 plus 5 13, 1370 divided by this total is 40. 1 0 get cancelled. Once again check the total. 5 plus 5 10, so carry 1, 8 17, 7 carry 1, 8 plus 1 9, 13, 13 upon 40, 0 get cancelled. So mean is equal to 4 1s are 137 upon 4, 4 3s are 12, remainder is 1, 17, 4 4s are 16, remainder is 1. We'll take the decimal point, 1 will convert into 10, 4 2s are 8, remainder is 2, 2 will convert into 20, 4 5s are 20. So 34.25, 34.25 will be the mean by the given information, that is mean of boys marks and mean of girls marks, and we have to find out the mean of total students. As per the given information and the calculation, the mean of total students will be equal to 34.25. Solution for question number 11. I hope you understood this practice set 7.5. We completed today till question number 11. We stop it here for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.